Hey guys, welcome to my new video. So today we will launch a heavy lift rocket to geosynchronous orbit. So let's get started. Now we are watching the third and the last part of how to put satellite into orbit for beginners. We will launch our rocket in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 and lift off. We have successful liftoff. All three engines are running nominally. Everything is normal throughout the flight. In a few moments we will reach max Q or maximum aerodynamic pressure on our vehicle. We are 5,000 meters in altitude. Everything is normal throughout the flight. All three engines are working normally. We have successfully reached 10 km in altitude. Kilometers. In less than a minute, we will have MECO or main engine cutoff. We have successfully reached 25 kilometers. We escaped the Earth's atmosphere. We are coming down for MECO. MECO confirmed. Stage separation confirmed. And successful ignition of second stage engine. We are 65 kilometers altitude and everything is normal throughout the flight. Payload fairing is successfully separated. And everything is normal throughout the flight. We have successfully reached 900 kilometers in altitude. Let's clear the debris. In a few minutes, we will reach orbit. We are 115 kilometers in altitude. (130 kilometers in altitude). Everything is normal throughout the flight. Successful second engine cutoff. Okay, let us coast in our orbit for a few moments and then we'll reach our orbit. Okay, in a few moments we will have second stage engine startup. Let's get started. Successful engine startup. Everything is normal throughout the orbit. We have successfully reached low Earth orbit. You can see the engine burning brightly as everything is normal throughout the flight. We will do another burn in a few moments to reach our proper orbit. Okay, it is time for the final burn. After this, we can separate our satellite. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, fire. Successful firing of the second stage engine, and we have successfully reached our orbit. In a few moments, we'll have satellite separation. And as you can see in the screen, our satellite has successfully separated from the second stage. It has been an amazing day. And our solar panels are also successfully deployed, and mission is a success. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.